This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying version and region because spawn logic changes between updates. Once done, open your map to mark likely zones. Equip a bow and 50 arrows so you can engage without returning to base, and enable your tracking tool or compass. Move to the nearest waypoint and scout high visibility perches. Archer Panda favors elevated cover. Keep your loadout light to sprint between points and communicate with teammates if multiplayer. This saves time and increases encounter chances. You now switch to active tracking. Listen for distinctive twangs and warbles that indicate an Archer Panda nearby, and scan for quivers, arrow shafts, or small campfires. Move methodically through bamboo groves and cliff ledges, pausing at choke points where ambushes occur. These are preferred spots due to line-of-sight advantages. Rotate your search pattern every 3 to 5 minutes so you cover fresh spawn timers and mark any faint tracks or broken foliage you find. This gives you a probabilistic edge. When you spot an Archer Panda, approach from cover and bait a shot to force it to reveal position. This reduces surprise. Aim for mobility-impairing hits first so you can close safely. Once slowed, press with coordinated volleys to avoid protracted fights. If the panda evades or you get no spawns after extensive searching, leave the immediate area and wait through a full spawn refresh cycle before returning. And make sure your game client is up to date to prevent spawn bugs. This resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.